Welcome back to Discover Local for 2021, and today we are here at Pho777 in Village Square at Browns Plains. I've been starving myself all day just so I can try their signature dish, the Pho Soup. Now I love their Bahn Mi and I have it all the time, so it's trying to try something new, so let's go and check it out. That was delicious. Now guys, don't forget to jump onto the Your Address Real Estate Facebook page, and in our It's Giveaway Time promotion, all you need to do is like and share it, and you get the chance to go into the draw to win a $100 gift voucher to spend right here at Pho777. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for supporting local businesses, and please everybody stay safe.